Hi guys, my name is Fateh. So Assalamu alaikum, and our today's topic is about smart cities. Basically, smart cities use information and communication technologies (ICTs) to enhance the quality of life for citizens, improve sustainability, and streamline public services. Some key features of smart cities include data analytics, collecting and analyzing data to inform decision making, IoT sensors, monitoring and managing infrastructure, transportation and utilities, smart grids, managing energy distribution and consumption, intelligent transportation system, optimizing traffic flow and public transportation, smart building, energy efficient and automated building, citizen engagement, encouraging participation and feedback through digital channels, public Wi-Fi, providing internet access and connectivity. Benefits of smart cities: improved efficiency, streamlined service and reduce waste, enhance sustainability, reduce energy consumption and environmental impact, better decision making, data driven insight for urban planning, increased citizen engagement, improved participation and feedback mechanism, economic growth, attracting business to and talent through innovative infrastructure. Example of smart cities: Singapore, integrated urban planning and smart transportation system. Barcelona, smart lighting and energy efficient building. New York City, smart grids and data analytics for public service. London, intelligent transportation system and citizen engagement platform. Tokyo, advanced smart infrastructure and innovation bus. Challenges and limitations: data privacy and security, protecting citizen data and preventing cyber threats. Infrastructure cost: high upfront investment for smart city infrastructure. Digital divide: ensuring equal access to digital services and opportunities. Integration and interoperability, connecting disparate systems and technologies. Citizen adoption: encouraging citizens to use and benefit from smart city services. Some additional aspects of smart cities include smart water management, using sensors and data analytics to optimize water distribution and reduce waste. Waste management, implementing smart waste collection and recycling system. Public safety, using data analytics and IoT sensor to enhance crime prevention and emergency response. Smart healthcare, leveraging and telemedicine, health data analytics and personalized medicine. Education and digital literacy, providing access to digital resources and training for citizens. Smart tourism, enhancing visitor experiences through digital guides, augmented reality, and data driven insights. Smart energy grid storage, integrating renewable energy storage and energy storage system. Transportation electrification, promoting electric vehicles and public transportation. Urban planning and development, using data analytics for simulation tools to optimize urban design. Citizen participation platform, encouraging citizen engagement and feedback through digital channels. Some examples of smart city initiative include Smart Chicago. Our comprehensive smart city initiative focusing on data analytics, transportation and public safety. Smart Dubai, aiming to become the world's smartest city through innovation and technology adoption. Smart London, focusing on transportation, energy and public services. Smart New York City, implementing smart infrastructure, transportation and public safety initiative. Smart Singapore, a holistic smart nation initiative encompassing transportation, healthcare and education. Challenges and limitations of smart cities include data management and integration, combining data from various sources and systems. Cybersecurity, protecting against cyber threats and data breaches. Digital divide, ensuring equal access to digital service and opportunity. Funding and investment, securing funding for smart cities initiative, collaborating and governance, coordinating effort across department and stakeholders.